Halo guys, jumpa lagi di channel Adik Ipuk. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe. Setelah usainya gelaran MotoGP seri 16 di Australia, kita beralih ke seri 17 MotoGP Thailand yang akan dilangsungkan di sirkuit Buriram pada tanggal 27 sampai 29 Oktober 2023. Para rider MotoGP pun sudah mulai berdatangan di Thailand. Dan berikut ini aksi kocak para rider MotoGP setelah sampai di Thailand. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really...
We are MotoGP riders and brothers and competitive in everything.
Difficult, eh? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, come on.
Look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Spicy. 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 Spicy.